Listening to music is one of life's greatest pleasures. Music can rev you up when you're out of energy and calm you down when you have too much of it. It can comfort you when you're sad and accompany your happiest moments. But what if you could get paid to listen to music? Believe it or not, there's a growing number of ways you can earn extra cash by listening to music. It's one of the easiest and most fun ways to make money online. In this guide, we'll uncover some of the best opportunities anyone can try to get paid to listen to music. So cue up your favorite Spotify playlist, and let's dig in. Number 1. Current Rewards. The Current Rewards music app lets you earn up to $600 in cash or gift cards per year just for listening to music. You'll listen to the curated radio stations of your choice from country to hip-hop and earn points along the way. Of course, the more you listen, the more you'll earn. And unlike listening with a streaming service like Spotify or Pandora, you'll pay zero fees for enjoying curated music on Current. You can even record songs from the station to listen to offline. That's extra fun for us older millennials who remember taping songs off the radio back in the day. Besides jamming out to tunes, Current Rewards lets you earn points by completing tasks such as reaching a certain level in an in-app game or answering a survey. You can also earn up to 15 points for watching video ads. Once you've racked up points, you can redeem them for gift cards from retailers like Amazon, iTunes, and Starbucks. Or you can request a cash transfer to your PayPal account. Current Rewards are a great way to earn passive income. You may not make a full-time living from it, but $600 per year could cover tickets, camping, and food at your favorite music festival. Number 2. Slice the Pie. If you love sharing your opinions on music, Slice the Pie may be one of the best ways to make some extra cash. Slice the Pie is one of the largest paid review sites online. All you have to do is sit back, listen to music, and then write reviews about it. You can earn cash for every review that you submit. How much you'll get paid depends on the quality of your review and the category of music, but the average payout per review is 0.10 cents. Once you've earned $10, you can request a transfer to your PayPal account. A cool part about Slice the Pie is that you can review more than just the music itself. For example, you can also give feedback about record labels or an artist's wardrobe. It's a fun way to participate in the creative process while racking up a few dollars in the process. Number 3. Hit Predictor. Have you ever dreamed of working in the music industry and getting access to music before it hits the public? Now you can make this dream a reality with Hit Predictor, a peer review site that collects public opinions on new music. When you sign up, you'll get to choose what type of music you like to listen to. Then you'll listen to music and rate it. Like many of the music sites on this list, Hit Predictor rewards you with points. You'll get 3 points for every song you rate. You can then use your points to enter into raffles for Amazon gift cards. Number 4. Playlist Push. Spotify users rejoice, there's a way to monetize your favorite playlist. Playlist Push pays seasoned playlist curators for reviewing music. To qualify as a curator, you need a public playlist on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. Your playlist can't focus on a specific decade, such as totally 80s. You must also have a minimum of 1,000 followers per playlist. Playlists with fewer than 3,000 followers must have at least 30 active listeners. All other playlists require a minimum of 1% active listeners on the streaming platform. If you meet the criteria, you can earn from $1.25 to $15 for each song that you review. If you like, you can add songs to your playlist, but there's no requirement to do so. You'll receive your payments via TransferWise. Number 5. Radio Earn. Radio Earn is another site that lets you earn passive income for listening to music. Once you sign up for a free account, you can start listening to online radio stations and earning points. You can also use Radio Earn's API application programming interface to embed a radio station on your own website. You'll earn points for every 15 minutes that you listen to music. You can receive payouts every month in the form of Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin, or bank transfers. Number 6. Research FM. Research FM is a long-standing market research provider for radio stations. After signing up, you'll fill out an email survey about your demographics and listening habits. Research FM will email you every time you qualify to review a music sample. As a reward, you'll get Amazon gift cards. Number 7. Cash for Minutes. Cash for Minutes is an outlier on this list because it monetizes your unused phone minutes in exchange for listening to internet radio. To earn money, you have to call one of the provided numbers to listen to the radio broadcast. You'll earn a small amount for each minute you tune in. When it's time to cash out, you can collect via PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, or Amazon gift card. Number 8. Earnably. Earnably is a site on which users complete different tasks for points. These tasks range from answering survey questions to watching music videos and listening to radio stations. Earnably also lets you earn extra points with special tasks, such as tuning into a specific program. The more music you stream, the more points you can collect. You can redeem your points for Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin, or PayPal transfers. However, you need to earn at least 225 points to begin redeeming. That's equal to $2. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.